Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2021 BMW M340i. This is the X-Drive, finished here in Portimao blue over oyster Vernasca leather. This is all courtesy of BMW of Sudbury in Sudbury, Massachusetts. This one has the driving assistance package, Shadowline Executive, for a total price of $65,925. Harman Kardon sound. Really nice spec on this one. Now I'm driving this right after the M4, mainly because I really wanted to see the comparison between the two. I'm gonna get the salt off my shoes. And I will be completely honest, this still feels properly quick, even after stepping out of the M4. Nice. Gonna be driving it here in normal sport mode. So you'll have a couple different drive modes. You have sport, standard, plus individual. We'll start off in sport standard. Then you have comfort. Turns on auto start stop, I guess. Eco Pro. Back into sport we go, because this is a proper sports sedan. Let's see what it's got. 3-liter inline 6. Nice. 8-speed automatic with the M Sport differential. The 3-liter has a proper sound to it. It sounds awesome. In sport mode, the exhaust valves open up. Provides a great soundtrack. Please, just a little. See, if this was my car, some of these gaps I would have gone for, but it's not mine. This thing just drives so well. I've driven one of these before. I think it was the 2020, and I liked it a lot, but man, after driving it some more, I really like it. A little bit more AC in here. Now I'll go ahead, I'll put it into comfort mode. Bad at all. Oh, Sport Plus is a huge difference. sport standard mode a little bit better. You can bump over the shifter, put it into sport transmission mode, and from there you can use the paddles. Harman Kardon sound system does sound absolutely fantastic. Can't demonstrate it because of, you know, copyright and stuff like that, but does sound absolutely phenomenal. Put it in Sport Plus with the manual mode. That should be good. What a car, man. What a machine. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video.